The thing that really drew me into them was definitely their two personalities. Kamala is very technically minded. She's great at really kind of grounding the energy and keeping us going, having the to-do lists and the step-by-step. And then Luis is more of the big visionary, and has lots of really amazing connections, and that's really what drew me into them, was kind of the balance of both of those things that I feel like we needed. Luis really pushed us and got us getting out of our comfort zone, and Kamala was really able to help us nail down these step-by-step processes. So we actually just finished recording all the videos for my course. We've had incredible feedback, and some of the steps that they took us through, my husband and I never ever would have thought to do that, and it's made all the difference in what we're doing. So we are very grateful for them and would highly recommend them for anyone looking to grow their business, start an online course, start a podcast. They really know their stuff. So thanks so much, guys.